Again from Tesla Income, and we're coming at you with week number 5 on Work Truck Wednesdays. And so here are the totals so far. Now, May actually was a 5-week month, so I'm actually counting this as May. It's one of those weird 5-week months, but there's got to be a few in the year, obviously. So anyway, so new business that we got, we did 634 on Lyft, we did 983 on Turo, so that was one rental, and then another 27 on Roadie. So that puts us at a total of 1644 for this, and let's see, yeah, 1644 for the week, and then a total of 5280. Guess what? I'm from Denver. Mile high, baby. That's right. So we are at 5280 for the entire month, 5-week month once again, but that puts me over 1,000 a week, which is nice. Very, very nice. So pretty happy about that. I did get approved for another delivery service that we'll see how many of those we get. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot going on in this market. I could be wrong. I don't know. We'll find out later. What else? I was going to start, I finally got my video stuff, so I'll hopefully next week have some videos of Lyft action that's going to be going on. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. We'll see you next week. Oh, and next week, I'll also provide you with what my monthly recurring costs are, so that will make sense for you as well, including the insurance and the loan and all that other good stuff. All right, thanks, guys. See you next time. All right, guys, just doing a roadie delivery right now, and this is a kind of a fun one, obviously. Pulling into Sedona, I was going from Phoenix to Flagstaff, and I found something in Cottonwood, paying $75 for 2 items. One I'm dropping off in Sedona and one in Flagstaff. And I get to drive through Sedona. So, man, what a treat. It is beautiful, obviously, and you can barely see it. It's so small on the camera, but it's absolutely huge in real life. For whatever reason, that's just the way the camera works. It's dumb, but whatever. But anyway, yeah, so basically not really going out of my way a whole lot and getting paid $70. So that's why I like these gig apps. I use them opportunistically. If there's something that I can use when I'm going the direction I'm already going, and it makes sense and it's profitable, then I do it. If it's some bogus thing that pays like crap that isn't going where I want or what have you, then I just ignore it. But the key thing is having these at your disposal, so when they do come up and they are in the right kind of thing that you want, you can snag them. So that's what I do, and it seems to work out pretty well. Sometimes it's frustrating, sometimes but man, look at the view. This is insane. Wow, you gotta love Sedona. I gotta come here more often. It's funny, I mean, I literally drive by it like once a week. But the highway does not go through here, because the highway is obviously faster, but the highway, as most highways are, is rather boring and doesn't take you through the really good stuff like we're doing right now. Obviously, it takes longer, it takes more time, but you get rewarded with incredible, incredible places like this. So anyway, just a little quip on doing some roadie deliveries. Hope you guys are doing well. CyberTruck is rocking it as usual. Man, it is so easy to drive and maneuver. It's literally like driving a sports car. All right, peace out.